What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Jay here, and basically this video is just basically going to be me showing off my new bike. I think I mentioned it in the previous video, the rock video. Yeah, so I think I should show what my new bike is. When I say new bike, it's close enough to being new. So yeah. So here we have my Yamaha MT09. A little bit of an upgrade from my Yamaha MT07. When I say a little bit, it's a massive upgrade. As you can see, it's really clean. It's got a full Black Widow exhaust system, which is extremely dope. Fortunately, there is a little chip there from stone, but other than that, the bike's pretty much brand new. It's got third-party indicators on. It's got the standard license plate holder, which I don't mind. A lot of people hate it. Yeah, it did have a screen cover. Unfortunately, it came out to about here. It was quite ridiculously high. It's like a big massive touring screen. It just looked really weird. But I decided to keep the brackets on, mainly because just, I don't know why, it just looks better than it being plain. The other thing that I did was I put my mount on there, my phone mount, changed the mirrors out. Not sure if you can see, if you can clearly see, but you're probably there wondering why is this so scuffed, and that is because I am using my MT07 bar end mirrors. When I say bar end mirrors, I'm literally using, they cost quite a lot actually. They're like for the MT07, but turns out they fit the MT09 as well. So they just screw in and you can get literally any bar end mirrors you want. I added this sticker on there. I'm gonna be honest, the sticker is not put on well, but it is decent. The reason why I put that sticker on is because this bike is fucking loud. It is really loud, and that's with the baffle in. So I've not heard it without the baffle. If you guys want to see it hear it without the baffle, I can do that. Yeah, as you can see, it's got the good old shad comfort seat as well. Yeah, so a lot of stuff he added onto it. Like I said, the only two changes I made were the bar end mirrors and the taking off the screen. He done all the intakes, which looked cool. The wheel stickers. He also done the let me show you. Yeah, that is my Yamaha MT09. I would say some details about the bike, but to be honest, everyone knows what it is. It's a 849cc engine, inline 3. Yeah, nothing much really to it. It's just an all-round monster. I may actually give my personal opinions to like any sort of new A rider or A2 rider on what they should do. I'm tempted to make videos like that. great, my glove fell off. But I'm going to make some videos on basically on tips and stuff like that on how to pass the how to pass your bike test. Got quite a few videos planned, but I just thought I'd come out, show my bike, and yeah. Okay, so yeah, that is my bike. I've not heard anything from Ruroc, but to be honest, I don't think I'm going to be hearing from them for a while. I swear to God, if there's another delay, I'm going to lose my shit. But yeah, so that is my Yamaha MT09. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.